Hello, everyone. Welcome to the AI for All channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most talked about and revolutionary technologies in the automotive world, Tesla Autopilot. If you've heard of this amazing tool and want to understand better how it works, its strengths and weaknesses, and whether it's a feature worth investing in, then stay with us until the end of this video. We're going to explore everything you need to know about Tesla Autopilot. What is Tesla Autopilot? Tesla Autopilot is a driver assistance technology that comes built into Tesla vehicles. In simple terms, Autopilot is like an intelligent co-pilot that helps you drive the car. It's not a fully autonomous driving system but rather a suite of features that assist in driving, enhancing safety and convenience. Autopilot uses cameras, sensors, and radar to detect the environment around the vehicle. This data is processed by AI algorithms to help control the car in certain driving situations, such as staying in lane, adjusting speed according to traffic, and even changing lanes automatically. It's important to remember that autopilot requires constant supervision from the driver, who must be ready to take control at any moment. How does Tesla Autopilot work? Now, let's understand how Tesla Autopilot works. The system is made up of several components that work together to provide driver assistance. 1. Cameras and sensors. Tesla Autopilot is equipped with a set of high-definition cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and a long-range radar. These devices monitor the environment around the vehicle, detecting other cars, pedestrians, traffic signs, and obstacles. 2. Data processing. The information captured by the cameras and sensors is sent to the car's computer, which processes it in real time using AI algorithms. These algorithms interpret the data and make decisions about how the car should behave in different driving situations. 3. Assistance features. Autopilot offers a variety of features, such as adaptive cruise control, which adjusts the car's speed according to the traffic ahead, and lane keeping assist, which helps the car stay centered in its lane. Another popular feature is the ability to change lanes automatically, where the car makes the lane change when the driver activates the turn signal. For over-the-air updates, one of the advantages of Tesla Autopilot is that it's constantly evolving. Tesla frequently releases software updates that are automatically installed on the vehicles, improving Autopilot's performance and adding new features over time. 5. Driver supervision. Although Autopilot is an advanced tool, it does not replace the driver. The system requires the driver to keep their hands on the wheel and be attentive to the road at all times. If the driver doesn't respond to alerts to take control, the car may begin to slow down and eventually stop. Tesla Autopilot strengths. Now that you have a good idea of how Tesla Autopilot works, let's explore the strengths of this system. 1. Safety. One of Autopilot's biggest benefits is the increase in safety. The assistance features help prevent accidents by keeping the car in its lane, adjusting speed to avoid collisions, and even automatically braking in emergency situations. 2. Convenience. Autopilot makes driving more comfortable, especially on long trips or in heavy traffic conditions. Adaptive cruise control and lane keeping reduce the driver's effort, allowing for a more relaxed driving experience. 3. Continuous evolution. As mentioned before, Tesla Autopilot is constantly evolving. The software updates mean that the system improves over time, introducing new features and refining existing ones, which increases the value of the car over time. For integration with the Tesla ecosystem, Autopilot is an integral part of the Tesla ecosystem, which includes features like Summon, where you can call the car to come to you in a parking lot, and integration with the Tesla app, which allows you to monitor and control certain aspects of the car directly from your smartphone. 5. Reduction of driving stress. For many drivers, driving in difficult conditions can be stressful. Autopilot relieves some of that stress by automating repetitive tasks, such as keeping a safe distance from the car in front or staying within the lane. Tesla Autopilot weaknesses. Despite its many advantages, Tesla Autopilot also has some limitations and weaknesses that need to be considered. 1. Dependence on the driver. Although Autopilot offers advanced assistance, it still relies on the driver for supervision and intervention. This can create a false sense of security in some users, leading them to over-rely on the system and become inattentive, which can be dangerous. 2. Additional cost. Autopilot is not a free feature. It is offered as a paid option, and the cost can be significant. Additionally, there is a more advanced version called Full Self-Driving (FSD), which is even more expensive and offers additional features such as automatic navigation on highways. 3. Limitations in certain conditions. Autopilot may struggle in certain driving conditions, such as extreme weather, snow, heavy rain, or in areas where lane markings are not clear. In these situations, the system may not perform as well, requiring greater driver intervention. 4. Legality and regulation. The regulation of driver assistance systems varies from country to country, and in some places, certain autopilot features may not be allowed or may have restricted use. This can limit the use of the system in certain regions. 5. Public perception. Despite the advancements, Tesla Autopilot still faces criticism and skepticism, especially after incidents where the system was activated. This can create doubts and hesitation among potential buyers. Tesla Autopilot plans and costs. Let's talk a bit about the costs and options for Tesla Autopilot. As mentioned, the basic autopilot is a paid feature that you can add to your Tesla when you purchase it or later through a software update. The cost varies depending on the car model and region, but it is generally a considerable expense. 1. Standard Autopilot includes features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. It's an entry-level option for those who want a basic driver assistance experience. 2. Full self-driving, FSD. This is the more advanced version of Autopilot, which includes features like automatic navigation, automatic lane changes, autopark, and summon. FSD is significantly more expensive than standard Autopilot but offers a more complete experience. 3. Monthly subscription. Recently, Tesla introduced a monthly subscription option for FSD, allowing drivers to try the system without having to pay the full amount up front. This can be a good option for those who want to test the advanced features before committing to a purchase. Who is Tesla Autopilot for? Tesla Autopilot is suitable for a wide range of drivers, especially 1. Long-distance drivers. If you frequently take long trips, Autopilot can make these journeys less tiring and safer. 2. Urban drivers. Even in urban traffic, Autopilot can be useful for dealing with congestion and heavy traffic, reducing the stress of driving. 3. Technology enthusiasts. If you're someone who loves being at the forefront of technology, Autopilot offers a modern and innovative driving experience. 4. For drivers with flexible budgets. Due to its cost, Autopilot is better suited for those with flexible budgets who are willing to invest in cutting-edge technology. Tips for using Tesla Autopilot safely. Here are some tips to ensure you use Tesla Autopilot safely and effectively. 1. Keep your hands on the wheel. Never blindly trust Autopilot. Even when the system is activated, keep your hands on the wheel and be ready to take control at any moment. 2. Stay aware of the environment. Continue monitoring the road and the environment around the car, especially in challenging conditions like heavy traffic or adverse weather. 3. Update regularly. Make sure your Tesla is always up to date with the latest software versions. Updates not only introduce new features but also fix bugs and improve safety. 4. Practice in controlled environments. If you're new to using Autopilot, practice in low traffic areas before using it in more complex situations. This will help you gain confidence and familiarity with the system. In summary, Tesla Autopilot is an impressive technology that can enhance safety and convenience in driving, but it must be used responsibly. It doesn't replace the driver and still requires constant supervision. If you're willing to pay for the feature and use it consciously, Autopilot can be an excellent addition to your Tesla vehicle. Closing and call to action. So, did you enjoy the content? If you found it interesting and want to learn more about AI technologies or related topics, don't forget to subscribe to the AI for All channel and like this video. Your support is essential for us to continue bringing relevant content to you. Also, leave your comments and questions below. See you in the next video.